Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some mushrooms. Let's start off by drawing the top of the mushroom or the cap with a big rounded triangle shape with a curved bottom. For the mushroom stalk, draw a line coming down from the bottom of the cap, leaning out to the left slightly before turning to the right and stopping. There, let's add some really tall zigzags for some grass around the mushrooms, and also some behind it on the left side. Then, continue the line for the stalk here, and round back up to the cap like so. On the cap, add some circles with thin lines for some spots, and a few smaller circles for some variety. That's looking pretty good already. We can add a few more smaller mushrooms around it as well. Did you know that there are more than 14,000 known species of mushrooms in the world? While some of these are edible, some are poisonous and can be very dangerous. Different mushrooms can look very similar, so make sure to never pick wild mushrooms without an expert's help. And now you've got some mushrooms. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.